everyone, I'm Joanne with Newegg TV and I'm here with Elaine from Enermax.
Hi.
And she is here to show me these really cool modded cases that you see here in the line. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this one.
This one was actually painted by one of our customer called Avatar. So they do a gaming SI system integrator. Well, they do gaming systems in general. So they just kind of paint it for fun. We're like, it looks like a bumblebee. So we.
That's exactly what I thought at first. I was like, oh my god, that looks like Bumblebee. Yeah. But it looks really cool, custom paint job. This catches my eye for sure because it's pink with pink flames. Ooh. And what is that special feature that you showed me earlier?
Oh, we should talk about that later. We'll surprise them.
Okay. Okay, but there is a very cool thing that is happening with this case here. So did you want to add some more to it?
Yeah, so these two are actually mods by Bob Stewart. Is a really good modder. And he like repainted everything. We do have a pink Austral like this, but it's just a little bit different. He painted like using car paint. So it's like very shining, like glassy look, I guess.
Oh, I like it.
And then okay, I'll show you this now. Fine.
Yeah. Ooh, it's really cool. A really nice, spacious drawer too, so you can put in all of your accessories, flash drives, lipsticks, whatever it is.
He also modded the RAM. There's like rhinestone now.
Oh, wow, that's an extra little touch there for you girls.
And then also he bought like pink wires.
Oh my god, are those shiny wires? Oh my
shiny.
god, look at that.
He put it's like a shiny, I think, like a clear cover over the pink wires.
You know what I love? This 2.5 inch, this SSD right here. Is that also pink or is that just the lighting?
No.
Okay.
It is pink. He painted it too. He painted everything. So is the power supply, if you can look.
Nice. It's like everything is just perfectly themed. I really, really like that.
So this is it's like a Pacific Rim mod. And if you watch the movie,
the movie was insane in IMAX 3D. Very cool.
That's the searchlight, just so you know.
Very bright. I would say blinding.
This system, we're using the iVector, which is already on sale on Newegg. So this is the mid tower that we have. And then we put a 240 radiator on top of it with the setup. But the main thing for this setup is actually for our brand new power supply. It's the digital Fanless power supply. We do have a program. You just kind of click into it and then you can show it right here. You can switch from single rail to multi-rail. Right now there's only 2 rails in this because it's only a 550 watt.
Yeah.
So if you go ahead and switch that over, it would be 2 rails. And show you
nice.
the actual readings of the right here there's like amperage, the OCP and everything. It shows you like the temperature and most importantly, it's efficiency because this is a platinum, 80 plus platinum power supply. Caution, okay. All right, so we're running that, let's put in the background, and still showing, oh, there we go, changes. And still be above 90%.
All right, so what do we have here?
This is our brand new big tower case right here. It's called the Thormax GT. So pretty much the front panel, it's like a bigger version of the Conus. In the front, you can put like a 180 millimeter fan,
wow,
so
that's
it's
different.
a huge one.
Yeah, huge fan.
And that's our fan right there. You can see the LED light. You can fit one 240 millimeter radiator, and it goes up to 360. I don't know if you can see it, but you can fit 360 radiator on top and 240 radiator on the bottom too.
As you can see right there that they've installed it. Wonderful. And also this is a full-size, this is a server motherboard, correct? With dual CPUs running?
Yes.
Wow.
So this can go up to extended ATX board.
Okay. What about this white case here? This looks kind of interesting.
This is actually a brand new, this is just a mock-up. We just literally just got it in. So this is the iVector GT, which kind of like resemble it.
All right, guys, I'm here with Elaine, once again, the lovely Elaine from Enermax, and we're checking out some of their CPU coolers. They even have closed-loop water coolers now. I'm not too familiar with these, so why don't you tell us a little bit about these, Elaine?
We do have closed-loop liquid cooler now. Might be coming in US sometime, but not yet. But they will be sold in Canada.
Newegg Canada. So there's a good reason to be in Canada. You will be able to pick up one of these. This is a LiquidMax, is that 1205?
120.
120S. Okay, 120S, yes. Interesting font.
And this one, it comes with 2 models.
Okay.
One without LED light, and it will be believe it's a static pressure fan on the other one.
And it looks like it has mounting points. Could you also mount another fan on the other side if you wanted to do a push-pull configuration? That's awesome. All right, so if you guys want more performance that way, you can easily do so. And then moving right along, we've got a little beefier CPU cooler right here. That one actually looks really sweet. Is that a 240?
Right, that is a 240 millimeter radiator. This series, the LigTech, it is a little bit more advanced than the Ligmax. One thing for all our CPU cooler, though, our cold plate, it is different. This is our patent. It's called the shunt channel technology. This is a regular cold plate would look like, and this is ours.
And what kind of advantage does this design have over a typical cold plate?
It pretty much, I guess, avoids the, resistance of the water. Because the water builds up right here if you keep going.
Right.
And right here, we have the shunt channel. It kind of breaks the particles.
I see. And then is this CPU cooler also only being sold in Newegg Canada? Mm-hmm. Dang it. This interview is making me mad because it actually looks like a really sweet cooler.
The fans on these liquid coolers, they are static pressure fan, and we are selling them separately too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they're not out yet though, but I'll show you guys in the
Will the fans at least be sold in the U.S.?
Yes, for sure.
Thank God. Thank God. The fans will like that. The fans will like the fans. Good. All right, let's move on to the fans. All right, so we've shifted gears here to all the fans, and there's definitely a cool draft coming in from this corner of the Enermax booth. And why don't we just start from the left and work our way down?
Yes, so we have a little demonstration here for our brand new, it's called the twister pressure. So it is a static pressure fan. It ranges, we have the APS function in the back, so you can change to different peak speed. So it ranges from like 500 to 1200, 500 to 1500, and 500 to 1800 RPM. But right here, if you look at the demonstration right here, this is a competitor fan. And it is, the RPM on there is 2350, but this is their spec sheet. So the airflow on there is 62 and static pressure is 3.1. But ours, we have like a lower RPM, which is at 1800 right now at 12 volt.
And it's clearly spinning the little windmill there a lot faster, significantly.
And the CFM on this is actually 7996, and the static pressure is 3.8. I mean, it is quieter because the RPM, it is lower.
So what this is basically proving is that it's not necessarily just the numbers that matter, but also the technology and how it's delivered to the actual component.
It's like very concentrated, and that's very good for a liquid cooler or any cooler actually, for CPU cooler.
Awesome. So definitely consider. And what's the name of the twister pressure?
Twister pressure.
Twister pressure fans, which you can buy in the U.S. Yes. So if you guys are getting some water cooling systems, some closed loop coolers from Enermax probably, and you want to swap out some fans or whatever, really good radiator fans.
And all our fans with the bearing, you can do this here.
You can also pop it out?
Yeah, every one of them.
That's cool. So you can clean it, or if someone sticks their finger in it and breaks the fan, you can always replace it. You don't have to trash the whole fan.
And these are our Vegas fans, as you can see right there. Yep. They're going crazy. And then you can change modes.
It's making me want to play some roulette right about now.
As always. Awesome. And these two are our new ones. It just have this one mode. It's called the TAA mode. So
TAA. Does that stand for something? The time machine. I like the time machine better.
That's my feature for this.
Very cool. So it does, because it looks like you're going into a portal. It does slow down. Just hold on for a minute, guys. I'm just going to stare into it for like 10 seconds. All right, so if you guys want to do like a really flashy build and you just want to have lights going off everywhere, you're not just limited to LED strips. You can actually throw in a couple of these fans and make it look really cool. So is there anything else you want to say about these fans, Elaine?
They're awesome. That's it.
They are awesome. I will attest to that. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much, Elaine, for sharing all this information with us. And thank you guys for watching as well. So if you guys want to see more content and more coverage of CES 2014, be sure to subscribe to Newegg.com. No, to YouTube. I almost said my own personal tech channel. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be sure to like this video as well. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video.